Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you, Baseus camera detector hidden spy camera finder review. So you might be wondering what is this camera detector that you may be hearing online. So the Baseus Heyo camera detector is a compact handheld device designed to help locate hidden cameras, pinhole, micro, or wireless cameras hidden in objects like pens, lighters, smoke alarm sockets, or air conditioner vents. Now, it works using an infrared scanner combined with a 3D sensing chip, detecting the reflection or infrared light given off by hidden camera lenses. Now, the original Heyo here model has two detection modes here: steady red light and a flashing red light here for more precise scanning. A 60 mAh battery charged via USB-C and roughly 720 hours of standby time per full charge. Now, a newer series here, Series 2 version, adds dual infrared detection with additional alert modes, sound, red light, and vibration. Now, a customizable multi-mode scanning setup and a built-in LED flashlight function. Now, how to exactly use this? Well, in this case, you just need to long press the power button to turn the device on, then press the power button again to switch between detection modes, and then dim the room lights here for better visibility. Now, look through the device color filter lens and slowly scan around the room. Now, hidden camera will show up as a small, unusually bright reflective dot when the light hits its lens. Now, check the hidden spots specifically, like smoke detectors, wall outlets, vents, decorative objects, shelving, and similar areas. Now, the manual notes not to look directly at the reflected light for an extended period. Now, the Series 2 version can also be hung on a door or window handle to function as a basic intrusion alert. Now, on the pricing side here, the original Heyo model is commonly listed at around $12 to $18 depending on the retailer and region, and with the Series 2 model typically priced somewhat higher given its added features. Now, it's sold through the BIA's own regional online stores as well as general retailers and marketplaces like eBay and AliExpress. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.